take it. I don't like it sticking out there like that, but that's what it is. Alright, everything's tight. Make sure you go back and tighten everything. Don't forget. Now, for the rest of the wiring. Alright, getting ready to do the electrical. Next is this. So getting the body panel off is a pain in the butt. You got to pop these guys here, one on each side, and then there's a couple back here, and then these are just rubber grommets that pop out. There's a tab here that slides. It's a real pain in the butt getting that body panel off, but it's just grommets. There's a couple slips. There's a grommet down here, one here, one here, one here, and then a couple places that slip in. So once it's off, it's fine. Pain in the butt at first though, till you figure it out. So alright, we've got that off. We've got this cover off up here. I'll pop this out. This is going to here, and that's where we're going to put that harness. But first, I'm going to disconnect the battery. was going to mount it in here on the frame member there. I don't know if you can see that. But then I decided I could bring it all the way back here. I made this little bracket to bolt it to. I don't know if you can see. Little nuts and bolts. But at any rate, fit this thing down in here and bolt it to the frame right here with these hose clamps. So instead of you watching me do that, I'll go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you when it's done. Again, all the wiring went down. I connected the black and white off of the harness. This is, I guess, for the heated grips. I'll maybe use that later. But 1822 gauge bullet connector to the black and the white gives you your switched power. And then I plugged the 12 volt back in. Everything went down. The power wires to the winch are going up here, and all of that is snuck behind the shift linkage there. So it's not rubbing on anything. Comes across here, goes up into the relay, and you can see my little homemade bracket there. Just a flat piece of sheet metal. I bent on the end so it wouldn't slide out, and drilled holes and put bolts to it and bolted the relay to it. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty, other than the fact that you use ancient hose clamps, it's a pretty clean setup, I think. Hopefully everything will fit back in. Body work. Alright, I got it all in, wired up. Here's what it looks like from the front. Just, mounted upside down and backwards, just like it shows it. I ran the wires here. You can see them up there. I got to zip tie them together. Ran them across. There's the wire coming down from the switch right there. And then I ran all that. I don't know if you can see it. Ran it all through there. Snuck it right behind the linkage. And out through here. Along here. Here's where I ended up mounting the relay. Just use hose clamps, and I made a little bracket. I don't know if you can see that bracket that I made, that I bolted to the relay. But just use hose clamps, nothing stressed. And I brought my positive back under here, up here, didn't have to drill anything. Brought my negative around here, up here with the wiring harness, tied it all in. While I did that, I put a pigtail on it for charging if I ever need it. So that's all tied in. Switch is on. Here is the wiring from the switch coming down, all zip tied. Here's the new harness with the black and white that gets spliced to the red. And I think it was an 1822 connector I put on there. So I'm going to bundle all this up. And all this is going to get bundled up and shoved back down in there. Let's take a look. So far so good. I'm going to button it up and then we'll go stretch it. Alright. It's all buttoned up. disengaged the clutch, pulled the wire rope out, and I'm ready to put the tension on it. I don't know if it matters or not, but I went ahead and took some orange spray paint. When I got five rolls on there on the spool, I'll see it. I don't have to look at it. I see that orange paint. I know I got it. So I'm going to let that dry for a minute, and then go ahead and put the tension on it, and it'll be done. In. Got it. Hold it. Okay. In. Hold it. In. In. Hold that. Come on in. In. In.